Hello! Welcome to Artsimed, in this channel where you'll find craft tutorials, journaling, and travel videos. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for supporting Artsimed. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make ear savers. So let's get on with the tutorial. The materials that we will be needing for these ear savers are ribbon. I got this from a Pandora gift paper bag. Embroidery thread, lighter, measuring tape or ruler, some pins to keep them in place, and also at least 2 buttons per ear saver, at least 13 millimeters in size. Your sewing kit, needles, your pin cushion, and some scissors. So the first thing that I'll do is to spread out my measuring tape and then lay it flat onto my table, and then getting my ribbon, I'll just cut the edges into straight instead of the triangular, and then I'll just lay the ribbon below the measuring tape to measure it. So there are 2 sizes of ear savers, 5 inch and 6 inches. So I usually add 2 inches so that I can fold the edges to make it a little more stronger and less fraying. I'm making a small fit in this video, so I cut it at 7-inch mark. Next is we burn the edges of the ribbon. I'm using a lighter here, but you can use a candle if you want, and if you're making a lot. This is to avoid the fraying of the ends of the ribbon. Next, let me just get some pins, at least 2 pins that you'll be needing. So I just put the ribbon below the measuring tape to help me. At a 1 inch from the edge, we just fold it backwards and then we attach it, keep it in place with a pin. We do the same for the other end, also folding it at 1 inch. Okay, so now we have a 5-inch length ribbon. And now, to the sewing part, you get your needle and thread. I'm using a pink with 2 strands here. And I'm just using a simple basting stitch. So basically, this size will work only for KN95 or N95 masks with ear loops as their straps. This will not work for surgical masks because the measurement is different. You use at least 3 inches for the surgical mask. And this is also applicable only for non-stretchy ribbons or fabric. For stretchy, you just minus 2 inches, so around 4 inches. For the stretchy if you'll use stretchy fabric or ribbon. So you also sew the other end of the ribbon the same way you did for the first one. So this is how it will look like when you sew the edges. Next, we get our buttons. We place the button at the edge of the ribbon and then we just sew the button to the ribbon. I'm using 4 strands of embroidery thread here. And you just do the same with the other end, attaching the button, and then here's what it will look like. And you're basically done. So we'll just have to test this. So This measurement is compatible with for use of N95 or K95, KN95. So to use this, if you put in your N95 mask, and then I'll just turn around. So you just strap this here. And there you go. So you'll have less strain here on your ear. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!